So this is my second vlog of the subject, the principles and strategies for teaching mathematics. So in today's video, I'm going to share my thoughts or insights about what I have learned in chapter 1, which is entitled the nature, the structure, and content of the K-12 mathematics curriculum. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start! Before we start, let us define first what is mathematics in our daily life. Mathematics is a powerful tool for global understanding and communication that organizes our lives and prevents chaos. Mathematics helps us to understand the world and provides an effective way of building mental discipline. Mathematics encourages logical reasoning, critical thinking, creative thinking, abstract or spatial thinking, problem-solving ability, and even effective communication skills. Another one that we discussed in this chapter is that he showed what we call the conceptual framework of the K-12 mathematics curriculum. So it consists of the goals, the principles and theories, the context, the content, the skills and processes, the mathematical tools, and of course, the values and the attitudes. So those parts are very important to encourage teachers to help learners to become more self-confident and self-motivate, and it is effective to achieve the goal of the students to understand more concepts and lessons of the mathematics learning. And also, it is very important for them to know the concepts and to apply it in our real life situation. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to react, share, and comment on this video. And also, don't forget to visit and like on our page for more updates. So that's all for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a good day everyone. God bless and stay safe. So see you on my next vlog guys. Bye-bye! Hi guys! So this is my second vlog. In today's video, I'm going to share my insights of what I have learned in our chapter in this subject, principles and Samar si Mama, oy, kasamok ting mong maoy. I have learned in chapter 1, which is all about the nature, the structure, and the content of the K-12 mathematics curriculum is that mathematics is very important in our real lives because yawa